Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. In the beginning of the new month, we got data from Japan and from Australia. Australian AIG manufacturing index up from minus 20.9 to minus 13.2. Japanese manufacturers index, manufacturing outlook, all big industry capex and non-manufacturers index, all of mixed bag of data, not really big changes here in Japan whatsoever. Nationwide HPI in the UK up from 2.1 to 2.2%, beating the expectations of 1.8%. The Russian Federation Global Manufacturing PMI down from 48.7 to 48.2. Retail sales in Switzerland down from 0.9 to minus 0.2. We are waiting for the manufacturing data from across the Eurozone and for the data of the Eurozone itself. Eurozone manufacturing PMI scheduled for is at 10 o'clock. 5 minutes earlier, ECB, the Guindos, will give a speech. Manufacturing PMI data from Germany is scheduled for release at 5 to 10. The market participants expect a drop from 49.8 to 48.5. Global manufacturing PMI data from the UK are scheduled for release at 10:30. At 11 o'clock, we got CPI and core CPI data from the Eurozone. Market participants expect an increase from 2% to 2.2%. German Buba Mauderer will give a speech at 11. At 11:30, there's German 10-year Bund auction. At 11:45, we got member Bank of England MPC member Mann that will give a speech. OPEC meeting starts at the noon. 1 hour later, German Buba President Joachim Nagel will give a speech as well. ADP Nonfarm employment change is scheduled for release at 2:15. ISM manufacturing PMI and manufacturing employment together with the manufacturing prices, all data are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. Crude oil inventories and Cushing crude oil inventories are scheduled for release at 4:30. Retail sales and unemployment rate in Russia is scheduled for release at 6 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, Atlanta Fed GDP now, and then we got the speech from Bank of Canada Senior Deputy Governor Rogers at 8:05. Very busy day during the London and US session, so please stay focused and vigilant. Without any further ado, we start with the chart. Euro dollar goes first. So the euro dollar is pushing higher as the ABC correction had been completed. Now we are moving up towards the lower channel line. The level of 1.1725 will act as the technical support for now. Local technical support at 1.1761 will act as will provide some support as well. That's the local technical support, which is located, as we can see, just above 1.1754, 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart. Next target 1.1790, and then the swing high for the wave B 1.1818. Momentum is strong, 59 points, almost 60. Momentum is positive. Bulls are in charge of the market as the euro is trying to move back inside the channel after the ABC correction is completed. British pound, after the better than expected data, broke above the yesterday's high, made a local high for now at 1.3476. It's aiming to break above 1.3484. Nevertheless, we're still waiting for the breakout above 100 periods moving average and breakout above the short-term technical resistance 1.3525, 1.3515. Momentum is strong. Momentum is positive, bouncing from the neutral level of 50. Bulls are in charge of the market. ABC correction is done. Now, how far this movement to the upside can go? Will it break the major technical resistance marked with the blue arrow? If it does, then uptrend might be considered resumed. US dollar versus the Japanese yen sinking like a stone towards the extremely oversold conditions. We just broke below the wave B low, which was the technical support as well, 147.47. Next target is 146.74, 146.59. We are back inside of the range. So this breakout here was completely false, and all of this level are back to be the supply zone. We need to move these levels a little bit higher, because right now the wave C is the swing high and the technical resistance, and all of these levels right now will act as the just regular technical resistance. This is too wide for the zone, right, for the supply zone. So right now it looks like this. ABC to the upside is done. We're back inside of the range. Now all eyes on this demand zone, when it will be tested, how the market will behave when this zone is tested. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 on a 4-hour time frame chart is moving towards 100 periods moving average at 6,614. The local high, swing high, all-time high is 6,697. This is the result from the last week. Tested, almost tested yesterday, 7 points away only. So we can place very, very strong technical levels here that will indicate the supply zone. You can see that the market is not coping with this situation here, so it is looking for stronger buyers. For now, the stronger buyers are gone. Another movement to the downside towards the 100 periods moving average is being developed. As you can see, almost every time we drop towards 100 periods moving average, this area here is being bought, and then a new rally is started. So right now we are waiting for the situation with the 100 periods moving average. Occasionally, this is the local low, 6,567 will act as the technical support, and obviously the other low that we had already on our chart, 6,550, will act as the technical support as well. This is on a temporary pullback, and the trend remains up. What is going on with the Bitcoin? Just as we said, the market is testing this technical resistance, 114,774 into the extremely overbought conditions. Right now we just even went a little bit lower towards the level of 57 on RSI during this pullback. Then very, very strong aggressive buyers came in, so it looks like the wave B is being a little bit more complex and time consuming than it is right now. However, this movement to the upside looks pretty impulsive to me, so maybe there is a situation where the 5 waves to the downside were done during the running flat core ABC correction. If this is true, if this is the most probable market situation and the Elliott wave count, there you go, this is what I mean, then this movement to the upside must be very strong, impulsive, dynamic, aggressive, breaking above the supply zone and wave B high like no tomorrow. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, keep an eye on the situation on the Bitcoin, because it might be very, very close to break above this level, or this is completely fake situation, and we will have wave B even more complex and time consuming than we have right now. So it's either up we go, or consolidation, or some kind of a reversal is in play. Local technical support 112,664 is the local intraday major level for the bulls. Any breakout below this level would likely result in deeper correction towards the lows of the wave C around $109,000. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.